Made you look, he said.
Say, guess what?
No,
You said it.
Say, guess what? No.
Guess what? Chicken butt.
Oh!
He got you.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hey, Carter.
Look at, wave at
Are you ready for a combine ride or a truck ride? Truck ride. Okay. Have fun.
You want this?
Katie's in the seat. I bet she's a good driver. She has kids.
Katie's got a lot of experience at high speeds. I know that. I've seen it in action for a few years.
Good morning. It's day 16, August 1st, and we are rocking and a rolling. Let's see what today brings.
Today we salute you, Mr. Footlong Hot Dog Inventor. Mr. Footlong Hot Dog Inventor. When conventional wisdom says no. I like to call that the slingshot maneuver. What?
Yeah, I was going to give you a high five too, half star, but Dave beat me to it. We're just doing everything backwards than what we did coming over here. Everything's headed back to the farm. Winter wheat is complete. Next will be spring wheat. spot on with his forecast for the day. He said at 2 o'clock or shortly after we would have gusty winds, 103 degree temp, and low humidity. And I just checked the weather app, and it's 102. As you can see, the wind's blowing pretty decently, and humidity is 10%. So I think we're getting close to getting this finished and shutting down for the rest of the day. Biggest concern with what we've got temperature-wise, humidity-wise, and wind, of course, is fire. That's one thing that is always a concern and a risk when you're out here in these fields and this dust and dirt and combines that I don't know how they even run when it's as hot as it is. Unfortunately shut my video off just prior to Brett saying that we're quitting. So as soon as we get to the end of this swath, we'll shut them down and head them back to the house. Morning, Nick. What is it, Dave?
17.
17, day 17. Gotta get all my stuff because I basically live out of this thing. Got a handy dandy fridge under the seat here. Okay, there we go. Put my cold stuff in there and I'm ready to go. Dennis just met us as we were headed out to the combines and said the wind is supposed to start blowing again here this afternoon, so I guess we'll see what the day brings. Augers in our way this morning.
USA all the way.
Dave, D-A-V, aka Beaver. Okay, which one? You or me? I guess it'll be me. Oh! Nice to have the hoot watching over us today.
Good, you shut off that 1206. Then it's cooled it off, shut it off, mark the bin. Okay, and 4640 is shut off too, isn't it? It makes it hard to concentrate on Aunt Josephine's story about Mildred's cousin's husband's neighbor who just had their goiter treated. So maybe I got a way to get you off the hook with Muffy. Motel 6. We'll give you a clean, comfortable room for the lowest price of the main national chain. Around $25.
Back to the yard. It's 1:30. The wind, it has been decided that the wind is going to put us at an afternoon off, and we'll start her back up in the morning. Hey Jim, and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, Why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notifications so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.